As a business owner, you know that mobile apps are a big deal on small devices. Whether it's scheduling an appointment at the local hairdresser, awesome, ordering lunch at the best sandwich place in town, yummy, or getting deals from local businesses, cha-ching. Customers everywhere are getting it done with mobile apps. Mobile matters more than ever, and you don't want to miss a chance to reach your customers on the go. So, you're ready to debut your business on all the smartphones and tablets out there. But how to get started? You could hire a bunch of outside specialists, designers to create the front end, programmers to write the code, usability testers to make sure it works right, content managers to keep things up to date, or just sign up with Savvy Apps and create an affordable, highly functional yet simple to manage app for your business for a fraction of the cost and time. It's DIY and easy as pie. Instead of paying boatloads for a team of IT specialists, Savvy Apps' super affordable subscription plan gives you unparalleled control and exposure for your business in the app world. The intuitive dashboard helps build in all the fun and useful features people love about apps, like geolocation, in-app coupons, loyalty programs, push messages, and more. All in real time. You can publish native iPhone, iPad, and Android apps, and a web-based HTML5 app. So it's never been easier for your customers to interact with your business, no matter where they are or what mobile device they're using. Sign up for a free account at savvy.com.au and see just how easy it is to build a mobile app for your business. Savvy Apps. Mobile apps made easy.